start off with our calendar. All right. Yesterday was 14. Does anyone know what number comes after 14? Mark. I just saw Mark. Mark, what comes after 14? Good morning, Katerina. Ooh, okay. Almost. Michaela, can you help our friend Mark? What comes after 14? You are right. All right. We are gonna write down a 15, and we're gonna write it in the spot in the bottom. 15. All right. So yesterday was 14. Today is 15. What number comes after 15? Show me a thumb if you know. What number comes after 15? Desmond, what number comes after 15? Okay, so it was 12, 13, 14, 15, and then comes. You are right. Let's give our friend Desmond a celebration button. Shh. So it is 16. Oh. 16. All right. Can you guys see the calendar? You guys cannot see the calendar? All right, hold on. Show me a thumb if you can see the calendar. Okay. Here, I'll tell you what. I will stop sharing and I'll start over just in case. All right. All right. So let's go to our 10 frames. We're bringing over another one. Asen, can you count the 10 frames for us? Hold on, Asen. Okay, Asen, count the 10 frames for us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. So how many counters do we have? 6. All right, let's go to our tally marks. All right, we're going to bring over another stick and we're going to start another box. So with tally marks, we're counting by 5. So we finished one group of 5. So we're going to start another group of 5. Olivia, can you count the tally marks for us, please? Good job. Good job counting the one that's diagonal. So we finished one group of 5. So we can say 5 and then 6. All right. Let's go to our 100 chart. Our 100 chart, remember, we're moving one over to the right. And as we move over to the right, are our numbers getting bigger or are they getting smaller? Sophia, are our numbers getting bigger or smaller? Bigger. When we move over to the right, they get bigger. If we move over to the left, they would get smaller. All right. Sophia, what number is that? Great work. All right. I actually have a window with no shades on today, but I'll ask someone else to be the weather person. All right, let me see. Who looks like they are a weather Ooh, Daniel's here. Shout out. All right. Do we have like a full class today? This is so exciting. Katerina, you can be our weather person. What is the weather today? Is it rainy? Is it snowy? Is it sunny? Is it partly cloudy? Is it windy or is it cloudy? Can you guys see the weather chart? You can't hear? Can you hear me now? Can you guys hear me? Okay, Katerina. Hit the red button and tell me what the weather is today. What's the weather today, sweetie? Do you think it's what? Cloudy? Okay. All right.